Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unlock map in Neverness to Everness. So as you can see, this part of the map is locked. That's because I haven't interacted with this tower in my map. So just visit these towers across your map, and if you interact with it, then that particular area will be unlocked on your map. You can see that tower is available here on the map as well. I have interacted here, that's why that portion of the map is unlocked. So just track this tower in your map, visit the tower. We also have to find a symbol on the tower. We don't have any symbol on this side, so just go to this side. We have a symbol here, interact, and area will be unlocked for that particular region on your map. As you can see, the town is available to view on my map. Just repeat the same thing across your map and the whole map will be unlocked within an hour. So this is the process. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.